Okay, what's going on, everyone? We are going to do a short tutorial on Glassnode, how to access data, how to mess with it in R, things like that. For this video, just a very quick introduction to what Glassnode is. So Glassnode provides on-chain data for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. There are a couple different pricing options. So I already have an account, but just very quickly, here are the pricing options, and each option comes with a different amount of data that you can access. And so there's the standard, which is free. It's recommended for people that are just kind of looking at crypto, at the markets, or retail investors. And essentially you get tier 1 metrics. So across Glassnode, there are a lot of different metrics in there on a tiered system. And so with the standard, you get just tier 1 metrics. You can see some of the tier 2 metrics, but only up to a certain point in time. Like I think, for example, you don't get the last month worth of data, and then you can't download any of the data. And then tier 2 goes up, you get more, you get more updates in time. All right. And then some of the other things that are different are how you can actually get the data. So with the standard format, you can download the data as a JSON file, whereas with the next one up, you can also get a CSV file. And then you can also get more requests per minute via the API. So that's kind of the general overview of Glassnode, what it is. If we jump into charts and actually look at some of the data, we can see, just very basic things. And you can see here, like there's 24 different derivative metrics. And again, they're on this tiered system. So T2 is tier 2, T3 is tier 3. I actually don't see any tier 1 metrics within the derivatives. But if we were to just search, for example, price. All right, here's price. This is a tier 1 metric. And then you can come down here and you can download these. Again, if you only have the standard, you can only download as a JSON file. What else is there? There's SOPR. All right, there's SOPR, and almost everything when you plot it, it plots it with price in log scale in the background. But when you download it, you only get the metric that you've plotted. Now, Glassnode has introduced a few new things that I think I'll keep to a different video, but just very quickly to go into it, you can create custom dashboards where you've got only the things that you want plotted. And now they've just added this workbench, and workbench will allow you to plot specific things on top of one another, and then also create your own formulas and plot your formulas too. So that's pretty neat. Maybe I'll go through that in a separate video, but for this, I kind of just wanted to give a background on what Glassnode is, kind of how it's set up. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually download a JSON file, parse that data in R, and get it into a workable data frame. All right, I'll see you on the next video.